హాయ్ నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు గేమ్స్ అండ్ గోల్స్. పుదుచ్చేరిలో పుట్టి హైదరాబాద్లో స్థిరపడి హైదరాబాద్ రంజీ జట్టుకి ఒక ఆల్రౌండర్గా సేవలందించి తర్వాత జాతీయ జట్టుకి ప్రాతినిధ్యం వహించి తన ఆరంగేట మ్యాచ్లోనే రికార్డుని సృష్టించి హైదరాబాద్ సీనియర్ జట్టు సెలెక్టర్గా, జూనియర్ సెలక్షన్ కమిటీ చైర్మన్గా, ఆ తర్వాత హైదరాబాద్ క్రికెట్ అకాడమీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సలెన్స్లో కోచ్గా బాధ్యతలు నిర్వర్తించి ఈ రకంగా క్రికెట్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి ప్రతి విభాగంలోనూ తనదైనటువంటి ముద్ర వేసి క్రికెట్ని అతి దగ్గరగా చూసినటువంటి మాజీ భారత క్రికెటర్ నోయల్ డేవిడ్ ఈ రోజున మనతోటి ఉన్నారు. తన యొక్క అనుభవాల్ని, కెరియర్ని మలుచుకునేటువంటి విధానంలో ఇప్పటి యువతరం ఏ రకమైనటువంటి జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాలి, ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా తన అనుభవం ద్వారా అందరికీ తెలియచేయడానికి మనతోటి ఉన్నారు నోయల్ డేవిడ్. వారిని అడిగి మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ నోయల్, వెల్కమ్ టు ది గేమ్స్ అండ్ గోల్స్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ టైం. ఫస్ట్
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
చెప్పండి, అంటే పుదుచ్చేరి బార్న్, ఆ తర్వాత హైదరాబాద్ సెటిల్డ్, ఆ తర్వాత అసలు క్రికెటర్గా రావాలి అనేటువంటి ఆలోచన అంటే ఆ ఫౌండేషన్ ఎక్కడ పడింది?
Yeah, I was born in Pondicherry. Then when I was 4 years old, my mom was a nurse working for WHO, World Health Organization.
Oh.
And then she had to go to Sweden for 6 to 7 years. So mummy has left me at her sister's place. None of our family are any sportsmen or anything, but my uncles played hockey for India.
Oh, okay.
Through that. So I think
Peru?
Mirandas, they are from Mumbai, but I think that gene a bit was in me. But living in Hyderabad when I was 4, I never knew Hindi, I never knew anything, but slow and steady, 77, 78, my mom came back from Sweden and she put me in All Saints school. What was sports? I never knew because I was totally a different, still learning the language of Hyderabadi language. And then it was in 4th class when being an athlete, I used to run the 100 and 200 meters. So brother came, Joseph Pilchi, Naku Chependo, why don't you go for cricket selection ani?
Okay.
So I never knew what was cricket, but I used to play in the compounds, a few a little bit.
All Saints,
no, in my where my auntie used to live.
Okay.
Those time these Nawabs, they had a big place ani, and I used to play in that compound with my cousin brothers and all the society. So a little bit of that was there in my blood. So during the selections, my brother came, Joseph, who was the principal of the school, All Saints, and sent me for the selection. I said, you just go for the selection, I'll take care of the rest. So I had 3 balls to hit the stumps. Out of the 3 balls and 3 balls to face when you bat. That's how coach Mohammad Gauss, who was the physical director, selected boys. So out of the 3 balls, I hit one of the goal post, and 3 balls I middled it and I got selected. From there it was no looking back, because being an athlete, you have that gene of being quick on the field. Your anticipation becomes more easy when you are fielding. Your eye-hand coordination becomes, because the sports comes into you when you slowly get into it. That's how I started my career, and I thank brother KM Joseph, who built my career very slowly during the All Saints school period. I represented All Saints from 4th class. I was in the senior team.
Okay.
Just because of my fielding.
Everything.
And I can remember MV Sridhar, Etesham, D Suresh, few likes of them were senior most, like even Venkat joined All Saints later on, Venkatpati, Masood Ahmed, all these guys were senior most to me. And I was a junior boy studying in 4th class, very little, who could run, they say you can run faster than the ball. So that's how my career built, as a fielder who could run and catch the ball.
Long journey.
It was a long journey in school, because nothing came easy because my mother was who worked alone, brought me up, brought my other sisters and brothers. So nothing was easy, everything was hard. So the process in me was to work hard.
Yeah.
So cricket never came just like that.
Correct.
Everything had a step from junior level to the senior level to the Indian team. Everything had a process. There was no shortcut, Ani. Shortcut, if there was a shortcut, then that was a dropout for me.
Yeah.
Never, ఎప్పుడైనా నా లైఫ్లో I never thought that I will become a Indian cricketer. But my process, Ani, to work hard to achieve something in the career was always in my mind.
Your goal and hard work take you to that level.
Absolutely. Because Ani, school you have to play all the activities. Ani, I was a sportsman who used to play basketball, who used to play volleyball, who used to play football, who used to run the 100 and 200, do the long jump. So the genes was already in me. So I could take any challenge, anything very easily.
Yeah.
But diversion was always there. But when the diversion comes, that's where you will let yourself down.
So actually you are an all-rounder, not only in the cricket,
Yes.
other sports also you are.
Exactly.
నోయల్ని కరెక్ట్గా క్రికెట్ వైపే వెళ్ళాలి అని బికాస్ యూ హ్యావ్ ప్లేడ్ ఆల్ ద గేమ్స్ డ్యూరింగ్ యువర్ స్కూల్ డేస్. సో కరెక్ట్గా క్రికెట్ని చూస్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఎనీ స్పెషల్ రీజన్?
As I said, Naku brother KM Joseph was the main builder. You know, when he told me to take up cricket, I started concentrating athletics and cricket together. I left other sports because I thought other sports kuda playing will interrupt in what you want to focus.
Okay.
So Ani, I built my career from I think it was 5th or 6th class,
Okay.
where I took up very seriously.
Yeah. At the age of 10.
నేను ఎవ్రీడే మార్నింగ్ స్కూల్కి పోయి ఒక గంట ఫీల్డింగ్, ఒక గంట బ్యాటింగ్ ఐ యూస్ టు డూ. అండ్ దట్స్ హౌ ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ టు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్. అండ్ బీయింగ్ హ్యాండ్ ఎ బ్లెస్సింగ్ ఆఫ్ బ్రదర్ కేమ్ జోసెఫ్ ఆన్ మీ took me a long way in the school. 10th classలో I performed very well during the Mono Trophy, brother John of God Trophy అని ఉంటుంది అప్పుడు, under 15.
అవునవును.
So I performed very well. I got 100 against Little Flower. I got 250s against other schools, St. John's Camp. So that brought me into the state side.
ఓకే.
When it brought me into the state side, the second godfather who was there for me was Sampath Kumar sir.
యా.
I really appreciate that man because he was a hard worker for himself. And
Correct.
I used to see him doing hard work a lot with single. Now we say one-on-one.
Yeah.
But that time also it was one-on-one with sir, when sir used to bowl to Vikraman Singh or Sarup or Rajesh Yadav when they used to bat. When he saw me, when he saw my athleticism, when he saw what kind of cricketer I am, he immediately told that he is the future for Hyderabad. So
బికాస్ చాలా మంది సక్సెస్ వెనకాల సంపత్ ఉన్నారు.
అవును, there are a lot of cricketers and like Purnima Rao Achal, Mithali Raj Achal,
Mithali is there.
myself. There are a lot of Ranji Trophy cricketers who have, and there's a big hand when Hyderabad won Ranji Trophy. When in '87 when Hyderabad Ranji Trophy gelichindi, I was doing my second year, and I used to come and bowl in the nets. Sampath sir used to call us.
ఓకే.
So that's how I started to be among the big leagues. I still remember during that '87 period, before we can go for the Ranji Trophy, and when we started to win all the league matches and win the Ranji Trophy, Sampath sir was really a backbone for the team that time.
Yeah.
You know, working hard, each individual player, Narasimha Rao,
రమణమూర్తి,
Ramnamurthy, Vivek Jaisima, Khalid Abdul Qayyum, Abdul Azim. These guys,
విజయ్ మోహన్ రాజ్.
I could see the passion, Arshad Ayyub,
యా.
passion to win.
ఓకే.
See, Sampath sir were really working hard with the team ani appudu
Yeah.
our time lo.
Yeah.
So for me Sampath sir was a godfather. Like for me, my fielding, my batting, everything he took care of. So my under 15 career started to build, and that's how I got recognition in Hyderabad, that he is the quickest, he is the fastest on the field, and he could bat, he could bowl. సో ద నేమ్ స్టార్టెడ్ టు గ్రో అ బిట్.
Yeah.
అట్లా నోయల్ డేవిడ్ ఎవరని అంటే దే కుడ్ టెల్ అరే ఈజ్ ద బెస్ట్
The
ఫీల్డర్
best fielder,
ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ అని.
అనేటువంటి,
యా,
correct.
సో ఐ బిల్ట్ మై నేమ్ లైక్ దట్ ఫ్రమ్ అండర్ 15 ఆన్వర్డ్స్.
మీరు కెరియర్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినటువంటి టైంలో ఫీల్డింగ్ గత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ లేదు. ఒక రకంగా చెప్పాలి అంటే కనుక నోయల్ డేవిడ్ క్రియేటెడ్ ఏ బెంచ్ మార్క్ ఫర్ ది ఫీల్డింగ్.
Oh yeah, that is true, Ani. But never, don't forget my seniors like Azhar. Azhar was a brilliant fielder himself, you know. So my role model was him during my younger days. I used to follow him a lot, fielding low. And whenever vaadu ochunte, mem andar kalchi we used to field. And then I used to learn his tricks and trades, how he used to throw and how he used to pick up the ball. So the same thing I used to implement epudu sir and Sampath sir fielding iste, I used to implement those styles of Azharuddin.
Okay.
And that's how I built a name for myself as a good fielder. Because it was not easy. Fielding doesn't come easy.
Correct.
You know, you have to anticipate, you need to be quick, you know, you need to have eyes on the ball. So everything was not easy. Everything was working hard. And that working hard, Ani, Sampath sir used to do with me.
మీరు మొత్తం చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి యూ హ్యావ్ కమ్ అప్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్. సో ఫస్ట్ టైం రంజీ ట్రోఫీకి సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యాను అని తెలిసినప్పుడు నోయల్ డేవిడ్ ఫీలింగ్ ఎలా ఉంది?
I was already known as a fielder. Okay, coming into Ranji Trophy was nothing, but I thank Shivbhai. You know, he spotted me after what I playing my leagues, the game whenever we played Syndicate Bank, Chamundi and Shivbhai spotted me out, Shivlal Yadav, and they wanted me in Syndicate Bank. So I still remember appudu nenu India under-19 probables aadi వచ్చిన తర్వాత నాకు సుధాకర్ అని who died, who was the badminton referee, he was a sports officer. And then Shiv Kumar and all this asked me whether నువ్వు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్నావా వచ్చి సిండికేట్ బ్యాంక్ జాయిన్ అవ్వడానికి. సో ద డే దే ఆస్క్డ్ మీ, వన్ డే బిఫోర్ ఐ వాజ్ ఆస్క్డ్ బై SBH అని.
ఓకే.
So it was a difference between 1 day and 2 days gap when
Correct.
I got an order from Syndicate, and the next day it was an order from SBH. So both banks were interested in it.
కరెక్ట్.
But cricketing wise, I think I took the right decision to join Syndicate Bank. ఎందుకంటే most of the seniors అందరు like Fayaz Beg, K. Sainath, Shivlal Yadav, Chamundi, Vijayan, all Jugal Kishore Gia,
Yeah, Jugal
all
Kishore,
I've
Wahab.
played, Wahab, all of this I've played the highest level of cricket ani.
కరెక్ట్.
So they were in one group of Syndicate Bank.
యా.
So me joining Syndicate Bank was a plus point because to discipline, hard work, ఎప్పుడు ఎట్లా ఆడాలి, వాట్ టైం ఏం సిచ్యువేషన్లో యూ నీడ్ టు బ్యాట్, ఏం సిచ్యువేషన్లో నువ్వు బౌలింగ్ వేయాలి, హౌ యూ కెన్ మేనేజ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆన్ ద ఫీల్డ్ అలోన్ వెన్ యూర్ ప్లేయింగ్ సింగిల్ హ్యాండ్, వెన్ యూ వాంట్ సింగిల్ హ్యాండ్లీ విక్టరీ ఫర్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. సో ఇట్ వాస్ థాట్ బై దిస్ సీనియర్ మోస్ట్ ప్లేయర్స్. So that's how I started to build my career. So I thank the blessing of Shivlal Yadav once gave a statement that the future of Hyderabad cricket is next is Noel David.
నోయల్ డేవిడ్ అని మీ కేవలం మీ యొక్క ఆల్రౌండ్ ఎబిలిటీ తోటి ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ టు ది ఇండియన్ టీమ్. సో కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఇండియన్ టీంకి సెలెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు సహజంగానే ఎవరి గోల్ అయినా కానీ అదే ఉంటుంది. ఒక క్రికెటర్ క్రికెట్ని కెరియర్గా తీసుకొని స్టార్ట్ చేసిన వెంటనే ఫస్ట్ గోల్ ఇండియాకి ఆడాలి అనేటువంటిది. సో ఇండియాకి సెలెక్ట్ అయిన వెంటనే నోయల్ డేవిడ్ యొక్క రియాక్షన్ ఏంటి, ఎలా ఉంది ఆ న్యూస్ విన్న వెంటనే?
I still remember, you know, first thing was Shivbhai was the selector, national selector at that time.
Yeah.
And that period of year in 96, 97, I really performed very well on the.
Yeah.
That year, 96, 97, I got 100, I got 22 wickets out, then I got 4 to 500 in Ranji Trophy, means 500 runs total with 350s, 100 and all that, and
Yeah.
backing up wickets. So having an advantage of my good fielder ani naku India selection for SAC game vachindi opportunity.
Yeah, yeah.
And that time I was included in India A, got selected. I performed well there. I got 3 wickets against Pakistan, and then in the finals 2, and then all that. And Zahir Abbas ani, one of the greatest legends of Pakistan cricket.
Correct.
Na fielding chusi he gave a statement saying he is the next fielder for India.
ఇండియా. ఓకే.
No one can field like him. He is quick, he is very smart on the field, and big article ochindi. And then K. Srikanth, who was the coach, gave a statement, that if Indian team are looking for an off spinner, it should
Noel
be
is-
this boy,
Yeah.
because he can bat, bowl and field.
Correct.
So that statements valued a plus point during the selection too, when Jagal Srinath was injured, and when Sachin said he needs an off spinner. So that plus point, naku big advantage on it. So Shivlal took that opportunity and selected me into the Indian team. I was playing Beramuddallah here, Syndicate Bankers versus some
Andhra
team.
Bank.
Andhra Bank or something.
నేనే ఎంపైర్ నాకు.
సో ఐ స్టిల్ రిమెంబర్ చలపతి సార్ వచ్చి శివ్ కుమార్కి చెప్పండి, అరే శివ్లాల్ కాల్ చేసిండు, నోల్ డేవిడ్ సెలెక్ట్ అయిండు ఇండియాకి అని. ఐ నెవర్ న్యూ ఎనీథింగ్ అప్పటి వరకు, బికాస్ ఐ వాజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫీల్డ్. టీ టైం వచ్చిన నేను బయట వచ్చి అందరు కంగ్రాట్స్ చెప్పాను. ఐ సెడ్ వాట్ ఫర్, బికాస్ ఐ స్టిల్ రిమెంబర్ ఐ గాట్ 100 ఇన్ దట్ గేమ్, అండ్ నేను యూ గాట్ సెలెక్టెడ్ టు వెస్ట్ ఇండీస్ టూర్ అని. నాకు ఆ టైంలో ఐ వాజ్ బిట్ నాట్ షాక్, వే ఆఫ్ excitement and what to say I couldn't, because I performed well in India. I done well in Ranji Trophy, but the competition was high because Rajesh
Correct.
Chavan was there, Ashish Kapoor was
Yeah,
there,
correct.
Sarup was there.
Sarup.
So I never expected that out of all these three guys,
Yeah.
I'll get the nod.
ఆశిష్ కపూర్ సేమ్
Yes.
ఆఫ్ స్పిన్నర్ అండ్
అవును,
మిడిల్
అవును.
ఆర్డర్
Yes.
బ్యాట్.
So I never expected Rajesh Chavan and Ashish Kapoor I will be the
Oh.
guy who will be selected. So I couldn't express myself, but inside chala joy, I had that joy, yes, I've done it. Whatever I worked hard on it, at last it has paid me off.
Yeah.
And I thank everyone who was behind me. So that joy of excitement was there. Then due to some reason I should have played the Jamaica test, but the visa process ani koncham late aindi, so I couldn't join the team in Jamaica. Otherwise, if I was in Jamaica, I could have played that one of that test
match.
because endukante the track was for spinners.
Yeah.
Ball was turning, ball was doing something, so I missed that opportunity. But whatever is written in your
Your
faith,
destiny,
that destiny, that is going to happen. But ultimately, when I debuted for India, I created a record which lasted 24 years and
Correct,
3 for
correct.
21.
Yeah.
Latest that guy from
Prasidh
Bangladesh,
Krishna
has
against
broken
England.
it. Yeah.
4 for 32.
So I was happy that someone at least achieved that record. And so the journey to in the Indian team was very excitement, because I knew Sachin because we played under 19 selections together for India tour of Pakistan. We played all the junior cricket. I knew Anil. Anil was a good friend of mine. Venkatesh Prasad was a syndicate colleague of mine. So Sunil Joshi. There were few senior guys in the India team, as Azhar was there. So I had that. I never had that fear of being there,
Okay.
but that eagerness to perform, eagerness to achieve something was there.
ఇండియన్ టీంలోకి నోయల్ డేవిడ్ సెలెక్ట్ అవ్వక ముందే సచిన్ తోటి కలిసి ఆడారు అంటాను. బట్ నోయల్ అన్న వెంటనే ఒకటి గుర్తొస్తూ ఉంటుంది, సచిన్ అన్నాడు హూ ఇస్ నోయల్ అనేటువంటిది. ఐ కెన్ సీ ద స్మైల్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఫేస్.
That is correct, but I had a conversation with him. I had a conversation in Bermuda, and because we had a very close rapport. We still have a close rapport. Recently we all played the Legends, so I had a rapport with him, but it was not him who has said it.
ఓకే
It was Vadekar sir who asked, who is Noel David?
ఓకే. బట్ యాక్చువల్గా అది ఇట్లా చాలా స్ప్రెడ్ అయిపోయింది.
I don't know, but as I said, it was Ashish Kapoor, Rajesh Chavan, all them were in limelight.
Correct.
Because they already represented the country.
Yeah.
And suddenly out of nowhere this name arises, and everyone will be confused, because Noel David was not a big name. Yes, big name in fielding, big name in Hyderabad, not a big name like Rajesh Chavan or Ashish Kapoor or like that. So some people were confused, especially the older generation like Vadekar sir or anyone never knew who I am. So that's why this question arose. So when I asked him, he was very calm and he said, "No, nothing sort of that. It was not. It's all of a confusion state, because I know you. We played cricket, so." I don't think it came out from his mouth, because he was a legend that time. He's a legend still, so a legend speaking about a cricketer is not
యా ఈవెన్ సచిన్ గురించి నాకు కూడా తెలుసు. ఒకసారి మొయినుద్దులాలో ఎంపైరింగ్ చేసి ఆ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇయర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా బై నేమ్ అంటే హౌ ఆర్ యూ చంద్రశేఖర్ సార్ అనేటువంటిది.
Yes, because
సచిన్ ఇస్
see, yeah, I still remember, he still remember the 15 what we used to do under 15. In South Zone, playing West Zone, or during that time, we were all small. He was still small, and he was writing his 10th class when I was doing my 12th class.
ఓకే.
Okay, so we still remember that good days. Recently, we spoke about it in senior veterans tournament. So he still remembers all that. He still speaks about me to Oja or one of any Hyderabad. How is he? One of the best fielders. So he has that. He never forgets people who once we met. He always remembers a person who does good.
ఆరంగేట్ మ్యాచ్లోనే ఆన్ యువర్ డెబ్యూ మ్యాచ్ యూ క్రియేటెడ్ ఏ హిస్టరీ 3 for 21 యువర్ బెస్ట్ ఫిగర్స్ అండ్ దట్ క్యారీడ్ ఫర్ 24 ఇయర్స్. అంటే లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ప్రసిద్ధ కృష్ణ ఇంగ్లాండ్ మీద 4 for 32 రికార్డ్ చేసేంత దాకా. సో 24 ఇయర్స్ నోయల్ డేవిడ్ రికార్డ్ అలాగా ఉంది అంటే కనుక వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫీలింగ్?
I was very happy when when that guy broke my record. I said, at last someone has overtaken me, because I held it for 24 years, and I said it's enough. I think someone has to, because Hardik Pandya was very close, but he couldn't. Then the Kishan came and broke it. I was very excited. I tweeted, I committed on Facebook. At last my record is broken. Hats off to the youngster, and all the best to him. Okay. But that joy of holding a record was always there.
యా కరెక్ట్.
Because you have played for the country, and I still remember when I was given the ball by Sachin on my debut to bowl. Anil Kumble came running from deep mid wicket
ఓకే.
and put his hands on me and said, "Don't get scared. Just think this is Inkoka Ranji Trophy match ani.
ఓకే.
Think like that and play your game.
యా.
If you think you're playing for India, the pressure will build more on you.
ఓకే.
Just think it's another Ranji Trophy game.
ఓకే.
The way you bowl for your state team, you bowl it like that."
ఓకే.
That advice was so emotional and very confident it gave me, that I never looked. I started bowling the way I used to bowl, and that helped me, because the initial wickets were taken by Abhay Kuruvilla and Venkatesh Prasad. So when I got an opportunity, I knew I could control it.
కరెక్ట్.
And
బికాస్ బిషప్ వాజ్ ఇన్
Bishop was there, he was hitting. So I need to keep a line and length. I told myself not to be worried, just bowl the way you bowl, be confident, don't show that you're scared of anything. That helped me a lot.